Why do modern car manufacturers love fake exhaust pipes? Dirt bike Kickstarters are officially dead. If you buy a brand new modern race bike, you won't find a kickstart lever anywhere. Why did manufacturers kill it? If your battery dies on the trail, you're pushing that bike home. Most riders hate pushing a heavy dirt bike out in the woods. Kickstarter never runs out of battery, but the reason they deleted it is simple. Electric starters got lighter, more reliable, and the battery can be used for fuel injection anyway. So manufacturers just removed the kicker entirely to save weight and costs. Still, many fans wish Kickstart was kept as a backup option.